Hey guys, what's going on? It's TryPixel here, and today we are playing some Cluster Truck. And, whoops, I accidentally pressed continue. Okay. And, yeah, we're playing some Cluster Truck. And this game is laggy. I definitely need a new computer for this. Unless this is just how the game is. Come on. Oh no. Come on. This game is about Skittles. That was actually pretty cool. Where's that truck going? With the truck on the right. He's just like, "Bye. I'm going on an adventure without you guys." Oh no. Oh no. Keep on trucking through it. Keep on. Ow! What was that? Yeah, and I'm kind of new at this game. Any YouTubers aren't really playing this. I don't really see any playing this anymore. There's like barely any. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh! What was that? You guys saw that. That was sick. Oh no. Where's this truck going? Come on. Oh, no. I think you have to get all the way to the front. Unless you want to lose. I'm going to keep on sprinting, and I'm going to jump on this truck. Oh, come on. Oh. Okay, just climb the truck right there. No, no, no. No, keep on going. Fam. No! Come on. Oh, I didn't even... Oh, I suck at this game. Okay, I think the front guys are the MLG. But let's just see. Let's try... I'm going to pick one truck. But it's kind of hard right now. Oh, no. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I don't even know where I am right now. Oh! I survived for so long. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, no! Ah. Jump. Jumpity. Jump. 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 Jumpity. Jump. Come on. Okay, guys, I think this truck's gonna do it. This in particular truck. Never mind. Wait. Wait a minute. He can truck through it. No, he can't. He's dying. Okay, yep. It has to be one of the front trucks. These guys are in a group. I want to be in the group. Oh, whoa, that was cool. Okay. I think if you jump on the side of the trucks, you get more momentum. Too much momentum. Yeah, I'm not good at this game, as you can see. That was actually pretty cool, though. And you don't have to be good at the game to do cool tricks. I used to watch this like all the time. Okay, and this is an alpha. No. Ow. Oh, what? No. No, I shall not die. I don't even think I'm going to get past this level. Wait a minute. Wait. I'm not going to die. I died. Okay, I think I have to go all the way to the front. Like I've been saying this whole entire time. Oh, I made it to the front. Oh no, this guy does not look promising. Duh. Yep, it's all of the front guys. Come on. Jump. Oh, what? Oh, he moved. How dare you move, sir? Ah, I think I have to get the hang of this game to do what I'm trying to do. Oh, what? I was clearly on that. That time I wasn't. Because, oh, whoa! That looked like a Superman jump. Superman. Do 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 do. That was actually really cool. I don't know how I was surviving that. Okay, I'm gonna try to do some MLG moves. Ooh, what? How did I slip off that, guys? That was stupid. Stupidly amazing. Make it through. Yes, you're amazing. Now you're not. No, no, you're not amazing. Oh, you're amazing. I'm amazing. I'm amazing. That truck and that rock were the only things that kept me alive. Come on. Come on. Okay, what, fam? Yo, what, mate? Can't believe you done this. Can't believe you done this. I've actually seen that video. Can't believe you done this. That video. It was pretty funny. But that was a long time ago. Oh no. Okay, right here you have to be MLG Swag, which I'm not MLG Swag on this game. I like how I say it on this game. Guys, you're probably getting annoyed at me failing. Wait, I have an idea. If I just... Here, let me just try to do this. Now, I have to get the perfect angle. I was under his bum. Don't ask. Ooh, maybe if I get enough momentum on the side, if I can try to jump on the side. Come on, come on, come on. What? Like, say what? Come on, come on. You butt. No, no. I'm just gonna stop playing. Like, I have an idea. What if I just come on. No, you literally suck, you stupid trucks. You suck, you suck, you suck. Why did I jump forward? I could have actually won that. Or beat the level. Too much momentum for me. I know you can glitch this, but I don't think anymore, actually. Here, every single time I'm gonna land on one, I'm gonna just slow down. Oh, never mind. You can't do that. Here, and yeah, like this one, I didn't know if I was gonna make that. Okay. Come on. No! Why me? I'm staying on you. I'm staying on you. For a little. Oh no. Wait a minute. Actually, wait. Wait a minute. Is this my boy? This is my boy. Oh, you potato. Yeah, I get wrecked. I said potato. This game is actually can get a lot of people angry, I think. Which would be funny. I would definitely watch that video. Oh my gosh. Are you a butthole, you stupid rocks? Tell the truth. You're a butthole, right? Ooh, come on, go straight. Straight. Is this straight? Is this straight wherever you come from? Oh no. Guys, I think I have to do MLG. 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 MLG mode activated. MLG mode activated. I can't do MLG mode. I'm not good at this game. I suck. Come on, climb the stupid truck. I picked this Pokemon. This one right here. I picked you. Actually, I picked you this. Come on, it's just a daily drive. Daily drive. It's just a daily drive into a rock. Are you serious? I could have made that. Okay, just gonna pick you guys. So the front ones, it looks like, aren't actually the winners. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Oh, come on. Okay, I think at the very start, you just have to keep on jumping on all the trucks. Okay, now I'm just flying right now, like Superman. What's happening? What is happening? What is happening? Oh, MLG swag. Okay, I'm staying right here. Okay, I would rather stay on the... I don't like being on the front of the truck, because sometimes it glitches, because it is an alpha. What? Come on. Slow down, slow down. Slow your roll, slow your roll. Okay. Now, slow and steady wins the race, guys. But here, it's slow and steady gets you the trip. Come on. Yes! Finally, guys, we did it. Oh, no. Oh, no, it's a ghost. Oh, no, it's a ghost. Oh, no. Oh, no, that one's not good. Oh. Oh, no. Help. Help me. Wait, these guys are they're just skipping them all. Actually, wait a minute. Dude, wait, if I go to this one, wait, I can't get to him. If I go to this one, will he just skip them all? Oh no, he's not skipping them all. He is definitely not skipping them all. Oh, yep. Wait, I'm gonna pick this guy. He's gonna be the lucky one. Oh, he just took someone out. Dude, this one's a swag baller. Oh, swag baller. Like everyone says I am. Cheeky. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Now this is just MLG swag status. Okay. For Narnia! Roar! Wait, why are you taking out each other? No. Save him! Wait. Ooh, wait. Maybe if I get on Okay, I know one of them's gonna just skip the battle. Okay, it's not that one. And guys, I'm gonna watch Finding Dory today. And if you guys are excited, then go watch Finding Dory. If you're that excited. Poopy poop. Wait, which one's gonna make it through the battle? Wait, let's see if this one makes it through the... Oh, yeah. He's definitely not. Crap. Okay, I feel like this guy is gonna make it through. Please don't tell me I went on the one that always just crashes. Oh! They're taking each other. Dodge like a mad cow. You are amazing. Oh! I almost didn't make that jump. No. On this one, guys, all you have to do is just keep on jumping on the trucks. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, 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 yes. Actually, wait a minute. Wait. If I just go right here. What? Okay. If I just go right. Wait, if I just go like. Wait, let's go to this one. Keep on jumping, so I can. Come on. Okay. Here, I think I have to get to this guy. Oh, that was a MLG jump. Come on. I think you just have to go like fast cow. Not mad cow, fast cow. Okay. Slow it down. Slow and steady wins the race. Okay, I can't move. I am not falling. Come on. Ooh. Ooga. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ha, 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 ha. And guys, after this video, I'm probably gonna go watch Finding Nemo, actually. And if you guys think I'm weird, I'm watching a kid show, yeah. Mm-hmm. And if you guys are just gonna say, like, that's a kid show. Yeah, yeah, and I, like, can't, like, do I have to worry? No. I don't care what you guys think about me watching kid shows. Like, either is my sister. If you see her channel, she still watches that. And she still watches SpongeBob too. And I do too. So get wrecked. Well, not anymore. We used to a lot, like last year or 2 years ago. We used to watch that, and we really didn't really care. We really didn't care. Because, I don't know, just, like, I don't really care what people think. Like, and then whenever my family's like, you have headphone hair. Like, can you at least fix that? And I'm like, but I thought you didn't care what people think. And I always pull that card. Come on. Oh, fam. Fam. And this is going to be a multiple part video because I am not good at this game, so this is going to take a long time. And I'll remember this. So, because it doesn't save it for me. So, next episode, I'm just, like, I'm going to just start off here. Like, so I'm going to have to play before. And I'm probably going to end off the video soon. Because I feel like it's going to be a long video. Come on. All I want to do is finish this one for the ending of the video. That's all I want, game. That's all. Okay, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment, and the subscribe. See you guys. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna make it. See you guys later. Bye.